good day. My name is Lawrence M. Garcia, taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in agronomy, and I am applying for the position of farm laborer. I am hardworking, responsible, physically fit, and willing to learn new skills. I can work under pressure and perform manual labor efficiently. For my experience, I work as a flower piler where I handled and arranged heavy sacks properly. This job taught me discipline, patience, and proper handling of materials. I also worked as a construction worker where I gained experience in teamwork, following instructions, and doing physically demanding tasks. These experiences helped me become strong, dependable, and hardworking. One of my achievements is being a consistent honor student from elementary to senior high school. I am also trusted to complete tasks responsibly and efficiently. I am very interested in becoming part of your team as a farm laborer. I am willing to learn more and give my best in every task assigned to me. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. Have a great day.